Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Harmony and today's video is going to be my June, I was like, what month are we in? My June Ipsy bag unbagging. I just used all the products that I got in the bag on my face during this makeup look, and the eyeshadow look that I did is with the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I've been using this palette pretty much every day just because when I get a new eyeshadow palette, I just want to create as many looks as I possibly can with the palette. So I've just been doing different looks and trying to, you know, incorporate more color into my makeup, and I'm actually obsessed with it. I wore this look yesterday on Father's Day. And I was actually wearing this shirt, and then that's why I'm wearing it right now, because this shirt is actually what inspired this look. So I got it from Forever 21. It just has like yellow flowers and like pink details on it. So I wanted to do a yellow and pink eyeshadow, and then I added the gold on the cut crease, and I thought that just gave it a nice little like extra look. I don't know, I really like how it came out. So hopefully you guys enjoy this look, and let's just jump right into the video. Sorry, just excuse my eye, just ignore it, okay? This is the look I'm going to be doing in this video, so just ignore it. But I finally got this bag, my Ipsy bag, for the month of June. It is June 18th, and I barely got my bag like 2 days ago, so. Okay, so the bag is blue, it's cute. I hate how small the bags are because I'm like, what the hell am I going to even put in them? But whatever. So this month, it's about Pride. So I like how they have the LGBT community, like they're showing awareness to it, because that's awesome. So the first thing I pull out is this MAC lip gloss, and it is in, it doesn't even have a name. I don't know, it's just a nude color, so we'll be using this today. The second thing that I pull out is this nail polish, which I'm actually wearing on my nails right now. I don't know if you can see, but it's just a nude, and I like it. It's pretty. I love nail polish. I'm obsessed with nail polish, and it's from the brand Pretty Woman, and it's in the shade Vacay. So the only thing I didn't like about this, I'm going to show you guys, the bristles on the brush were not all together, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you. You guys see how they're like sticking up? Yeah, I don't like that. It kind of made it a little difficult, and I tried to pull them out, but they're just like, I'm probably gonna have to cut them, so that's kind of annoying. The next thing is this blush from Kaleido Cosmetics. It's cruelty-free and gluten-free and vegan, so that's cool. Let's see the color. Packaging feels a little cheap. Okay, it's like a peachy nudie blush. Let's swatch it and see. Okay, so it's like a little peachy. I don't even think you can see it, but hopefully it'll be pretty. This is a perfume from the brand Kenzie. Obviously you guys can't smell it. Well, it smells good. Oh no. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I love it or hate it. The last thing in here is from Grove Collaboration Mint and Argan Lip Balm with Hydrating Chia Seed Oil. You can never have enough lip balms. It smells like mint. Tastes organic. So yeah, that's everything in the bag. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and show you guys how I do my makeup today. If you guys want to see me do my makeup, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe right here down below. Put on the post notification bell so you can get updated every time I drop a new video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like the Ipsy Bag unbaggings, let me know and give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys like them. I want to sign up for BoxyCharm, but I'm gonna give Ipsy a few more months of a try. I saw the June box for BoxyCharm and I was shook. Like, they had a full size eyeshadow palette. So I'm like, Ipsy, what are you doing? So yeah, I think that I might switch to BoxyCharm. I'm gonna give Ipsy a couple more months, see how it goes, probably till like August or September. We'll see if it gets any better. I just haven't really been that impressed by all the things in it, and it's not even full size, so it's like a little sample size. So I'm just kind of disappointed a little bit in the bags so far, and I don't like how the bags are so little. Like, I feel like I can't even use them, but I don't know, maybe that's just me being picky. So let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have Ipsy and if you guys have BoxyCharm, which one do you like more? Let me know. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below so that I can do them for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.